Assalamu alaikum, my name is Azima Hadar Zaidi and I'm a huge PDA supporter. And trust me, Imran Khan, when I say that, because despite my physical disability, I've regularly attended your jalsas and I feel that the energy is just sprouting out of the people over there. They're so enthusiastic, and I really think that I'm one of them. I'm the supporter because I think that you are the true deserving leader of Pakistan. And to convey my message to you, I really want to meet you in person, and I want to tell you that I casted my very first vote in my life for you. I voted for your party. I voted for you because I know, and I still have this thing in mind, that you deserve to be the leader of Pakistan. You deserve to be our Prime Minister. And also that you are one of those leaders who actually stood up for the rights of persons with disabilities. You're the one who celebrated our day, and I have never seen anybody do that before. And because there are so many things that the persons with disabilities they face, the hardships that they face every day, you're the one who brought it up. And so hats off to you. I love you, Imran Khan, and inshallah, in future we will succeed in making a Naya Pakistan.